Ever struggled with lumpy dough or unevenly mixed batter? Stick around, because today we're unveiling the top 6 stand mixers of 2026 that will transform your baking game. I'll show you the best features, pros, and why they're worth it. Friendly tip: grab yours through the links in the description. On number 6 is KitchenAid Stand Mixer. Ever wondered why some home bakers struggle to get consistent results every time? The KitchenAid Stand Mixer tackles that challenge head-on. Tested for real-world comfort, its durable metal construction and 59 touch points ensure thorough mixing, whether it's 9 dozen cookies or a delicate cream. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl with a comfortable handle makes handling large or small batches effortless. Compared to other mixers in our top 6 2026 lineup, its tilt-head design offers unmatched accessibility, while 10 speeds provide control for everything from gentle stirring to high-speed whipping. Dishwasher-safe attachments add convenience, and the variety of colors lets you match your kitchen style. While it's slightly larger than compact models, the combination of reliability, performance, and peace of mind makes it a smart choice for serious bakers or families who bake frequently. At number 5 is KitchenAid Quart Bowl Lift. Did you know most home bakers struggle with mixers that can't handle large batches without compromising consistency? The KitchenAid Quart Bowl Lift is built to solve that problem. Tested for real-world comfort, its 11-speed control gives you total precision, from gentle folding to high-power mixing. The 7-quart bowl can handle up to 13 dozen cookies or over 8 pounds of dough, making it ideal for families or serious bakers. Compared to other mixers in our top 6 2026 lineup, the bowl lift design offers superior stability and thorough mixing. The double flex edge beater ensures every ingredient is incorporated perfectly, leaving no streaks behind. While it's a bit larger than some compact mixers, the peace of mind, durability, and professional level results make it a smart investment. If you bake frequently or in large batches, this mixer delivers unmatched reliability and efficiency. At number 4 is Cuisinart Dough Hook. Ever spent hours kneading dough only to end up with uneven, tough bread? The Cuisinart Dough Hook might just change your baking forever. Tested for real-world comfort, this attachment delivers precision and power, pairing perfectly with stand mixers in our top 6 2026 lineup. Its sturdy die-cast metal design and 500-watt support give your mixer the muscle to handle even dense dough effortlessly. Compared to other mixers in the list, the tilt-back head and 12-speed settings make achieving smooth, consistent dough easier than ever. Included accessories like the whisk and flat paddle expand your baking potential, while optional attachments, from pasta rollers to ice cream makers, add versatility. If you crave reliability, safety, and peace of mind in the kitchen, this is a smart investment. Small-scale bakers may not need all features, but avid bakers will love it. On number 3 is Kitchen in the Box Electric Food Mixer. Did you know many home bakers struggle with mixers that can't handle both delicate creams and heavy dough? The Kitchen in the Box Electric Food Mixer might just solve that problem. Tested for real-world comfort, it combines elegance with performance, its matte finish and modern design make it a stylish centerpiece in any kitchen. With 10-speed settings and a tilt-head design, it easily handles bread dough, batters, or meringues with precision. What sets it apart in our top 6 lineup is the dual-nested bowls, 4.5 QT stainless steel and 5 QT food-safe plastic, perfect for space-saving storage and versatile baking. Attachments are durable, dishwasher-safe, and ready for any recipe. If you value reliability, aesthetics, and smart efficiency, this mixer delivers peace of mind. Small space bakers and gift givers will especially love it, though those needing ultra-heavy-duty mixing may consider larger models. At number 2 is VIVOHOME Quart Tilt Head. Ever struggled with dough that just won't mix evenly or batter that leaves lumps behind? The VIVOHOME Quart Tilt Head might just be the solution you didn't know you needed. Tested for real-world comfort, this mixer packs a 660 watts motor that handles even the heaviest dough effortlessly. Its 10-speed settings and planetary mixing promise smooth, consistent results, something many home bakers dream of. The generous 6 QT bowl lets you tackle family-sized batches with ease, and the tilt-head design plus splash guard make adding ingredients simple and mess-free. Compared to other mixers in our top 6 list, it's quieter, sturdier, and surprisingly versatile with attachments that are dishwasher safe. If you want peace of mind, reliable performance, and smart efficiency in your kitchen, this mixer is worth serious consideration. Solo bakers might find it a bit large, but families and avid bakers will love it. Now moving to the last one is VIVOHOME Edge Beater. Did you know that most home bakers struggle with uneven mixing and dough that just won't rise properly? Enter the VIVOHOME Edge Beater, a real game changer in our lineup of 2026 stand mixers. Tested for real-world comfort, this mixer combines power, precision, and convenience like few others. Its 660 watts copper motor runs 20% quieter than comparable models, yet delivers more power, giving you perfectly blended dough every time. The 360 degrees planetary mixing and 11-speed settings mean no lump survives, and the one-touch presets for kneading, whisking, or stirring save so much trial and error. Compared to other mixers in our top 6, the fermentation setting is a standout, proofing dough effortlessly without extra appliances. With a 6QT bowl, tilt head design, and dishwasher-safe attachments, it's perfect for families or serious bakers. If you value reliability, efficiency, and peace of mind, this is a smart pick, though solo bakers may find it a bit large. After testing all the top 6 stand mixers of 2026, the KitchenAid Quart Bowl Lift clearly stands out as the winner. Its 7-quart capacity handles massive batches effortlessly, perfect for families or serious bakers. With 11 precise speeds, a durable bowl lift design, and the double flex edge beater, it mixes ingredients thoroughly every time. Compared to the others, it delivers unmatched stability, consistency, and professional level results. If you want reliability, peace of mind, and efficiency in the kitchen, this mixer is a smart, long-term investment. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best stand mixer 2026. All the links are given in the description, to check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.